Hi, this is Victor Martinez, and I want to talk to you about the chatbots. This is a chatbot right here in my site. This is the avatar, and this is the chat window. And we can create with both, or we can create a chat with no avatar, or we can create the avatar without the chat. Either way, the way it fits to your business. I want to tell you about the positions that we can set. That normally the chatbots are installed. This one is installed in the right down corner of the main page of my site. But you can install it in your left or in the middle, either way, any way you want. And chats are very useful to call your attention. Like for instance, if we press here.
I'm Super Chat. I hope you are well. This is a practical demonstration of what a chatbot can do for your business page or website. Although I am a superhero, all my avatar's friends can do the same. When a person comes to this site, my job is to welcome him or her. Also, I will give that person a good idea of our services and products. Of course, the company's flagship product is the creation of chatbots according to the needs of the prospect, be it a dentist, a doctor, a contractor, a plumber, or any kind of traditional physical business. The clear advantages chatbots have over the other ways to get the visitor's attention and capture their data are very clear and insurmountable. We avatars work 24 hours a day, every day without taking breaks. We never ask for a salary increase. We never ask for vacations, and we do not seek excuses for not going to work. We are the superheroes of the company. The way to buy this service is very simple and flexible. We accommodate to our customers' financial circumstance. It can be a single payment for the avatar, plus a comfortable monthly fee for hosting and data delivery service. Or, it can also be a monthly payment that covers both. Ask us for a free demo. I'm sure you'll like it. I must say goodbye and leave you with the chat. Please answer the questions. We will be in contact with you. Your friend Super Chat. Have a wonderful day.
These chats are responsive to it can go like this size, for instance, or it can be or like that, normal size. Once you listen to the avatar, you can start working with the chat. For instance, I'm going to introduce a name here, Peter, and then I'm going to put OK, and then the chat will continue asking me for some information. It's telling me, glad to meet you, Peter. Do you have a business or brand? Can we help? First, what is the name of your brand? Okay, my name is blog, whatever, okay. And then the chat will offer you the things that we have, the services that we have in this company. We create chatbots for your business website. And not only that, we also create videos, commercial videos, and this is an offer, 50% and your first. He says, are you interested? Yes. Okay. Smart choice. What is your email address? And he asked me for my address, my email address. Whatever. Okay. This is the way a chatbot works. It introduces your services, and then the chat collects the information. All this information goes to a database, and then it goes to your email. Thank you very much. Hope you like it.